Hey ladies, how y'all doing? So this is going to be a voiceover review today. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. This unit is being brought to us by Outre. None other than Outre. This is from their Sleek Park collection. Sit back, relax, and as we get into this review, I'll let you know all the deets about this unit, give you cap construction. Is it big head friendly? Do I recommend you buy her or what have you? So just sit back and relax as we get into this review. Sit tight. So, as I stated, this unit has been brought to us by Outre. This is from their Sleek Park collection. It has a flat lace finish, lace flatter, lace better. And she's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and she has a HD transparent lace. All I did was add some powder to that. Not actually powder, I used some tint spray to get that effect of to match my skin tone, and I used her in the shade medium tint. Medium tint by Ebon. The spray is by Ebon. I can link all of that down in the description box. And the unit that I have on, her name is APOLIA, APOLIA, and she's 18 inches long, and I have her in the color DRFF Black Cherry, and she comes in a plethora of colors, so many colors. She comes in 1B, 2, 613, chocolate frost, DR/cream blonde, DRFF black cherry, as I stated, DRFF honey blonde, sun-kissed brown, and that DRFF 2/cinnamon spice. The hair is very soft. You may want to add some dry shampoo to take out that silkiness in there, so you won't have that shine like you see here in the camera and stuff like that. Sometimes some people like that and some people don't. If you're not into that and you just want it to look natural, that natural looking yaki, if you understand what I mean, just to take that out, just put some on your hand and just rub her in there. Don't put too much on there, because sometimes if you use too much, it'll start looking white and dull. So if that does happen, you can just use some wig spray to take that white residue look out of the unit, and or just use some mousse. Mousse helps it as well. So the cap construction is she has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the normal adjustable straps, and as you see, she's a middle part, and she's big hair friendly. If that makes sense to you, she's big hair friendly. Has a lot of room in the cap, and I like her, so I do recommend that you go and cop her. I got her from WIGTYPES.com. I'll link all of that down in the description box. And the part lays sleek and flat to your head. You don't have to use a flat iron or anything to flatten out the part. She just cute. I just love her, and I do recommend you go and cop her. So if y'all have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer you right away. And I thank you for continued support of this channel, and I'll see y'all on my next upload. Thank you, smooches. Stay safe. See you soon.